Welcome to an insightful journey back to the very origins of one of the world's most enduring automotive giants, Fiat. Today, we're uncovering the story of the vehicle that started it all, a true pioneer that laid the foundation for an extraordinary legacy, the 1899 Fiat 3.5 CV. This isn't just a car, it's a historical artifact, a testament to early automotive innovation and the first step in Fiat's monumental journey. It marked the moment Italy officially entered the global automotive race, establishing a brand that would become synonymous with Italian design, engineering, and passion. Join us as we explore the modest yet profoundly significant beginnings of Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino. The story of the 3.5 CV is inextricably linked to the birth of Fiat itself. On July 11, 1899, a group of prominent industrialists, led by Giovanni Agnelli, founded Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino, or Fiat, in the vibrant industrial city of Turin, Italy. This wasn't merely the creation of another company. It was a visionary act that aimed to propel Italy into the burgeoning age of motorization, a period dominated by French and German manufacturers. The founders envisioned a future where Italian ingenuity and craftsmanship would compete on the global stage, producing vehicles that were both practical and elegant. Their commitment to innovation and quality was evident from day one, setting the stage for what would become a global automotive powerhouse. At the heart of the 1899 Fiat 3.5 CV's creation was the brilliant mind of Aristide Faccioli, a pioneering engineer whose designs laid the very foundation of Fiat's automotive endeavors. Faccioli designed a remarkable vehicle for its time, featuring an innovative two-cylinder, horizontally opposed engine. This clever configuration allowed for a lower center of gravity, improving stability, and offered a smoother power delivery compared to some single-cylinder contemporaries. With a modest displacement of 697 cc, this engine produced approximately 3.5 to 4 horsepower, hence its name, 3.5 CV, which stands for cavalli vapore, or metric horsepower. This early design showcased Fiat's commitment to thoughtful engineering and set a precedent for future models. For its era, the Fiat 3.5 CV offered a surprisingly practical and functional driving experience. It could comfortably accommodate 2 to 3 passengers, a significant advantage for families or small groups compared to single-passenger vehicles. The car featured a 2-speed gearbox for forward motion and a single reverse gear, providing drivers with essential control for navigating the rudimentary roads of the late 19th century. While not a speed demon by today's standards, it achieved a respectable top speed of around 35 kilometers per hour, or about 22 miles per hour. This performance was more than adequate for urban and intercity travel, signifying a genuine step forward in personal mobility and opening up new possibilities for transportation. The 1899 Fiat 3.5 CV was produced in very limited numbers, an estimated 20 to 25 units during its short production run from 1899 to 1900. This scarcity makes each surviving example an incredibly valuable and rare piece of automotive history. These vehicles were not mass-produced. Instead, they were handcrafted, embodying the bespoke nature of early automobile manufacturing. Today, very few of these pioneering cars are known to exist, and those that do are highly prized by collectors and museums worldwide. They serve as tangible links to the earliest days of Fiat and the broader Italian automotive industry, showcasing the foundational design principles and craftsmanship that defined this nascent period. Their rarity underscores their historical significance. The 1899 Fiat 3.5 CV was more than just Fiat's first car. It was a catalyst for the entire Italian automotive industry. Its introduction signaled to the world that Italy, too, was a serious contender in the burgeoning automobile market. Before Fiat, Italy's presence in this industrial sector was minimal, but the success and visibility of the 3.5 CV sparked national interest and investment in vehicle manufacturing. This pioneering effort opened the floodgates for other Italian manufacturers to emerge, fostering a rich, competitive environment that would eventually give rise to iconic brands like Alfa Romeo, Lancia, and ultimately Ferrari and Lamborghini. The 3.5 CV proved that Italian craftsmanship and engineering could stand proudly alongside global competitors, initiating a storied tradition. The humble beginnings of the 3.5 CV quickly blossomed into an expansive and influential automotive empire. Following its initial success, Fiat rapidly diversified its product line, moving beyond basic personal transport to produce a wide array of vehicles, including trucks, buses, and even aircraft engines. This early diversification demonstrated Fiat's ambitious vision and adaptability, proving its ability to meet diverse industrial and consumer needs. The engineering principles established with the 3.5 CV, robustness, practicality, and thoughtful design, remained core tenets, guiding the company through decades of innovation and growth. From utilitarian vehicles for everyday Italians to luxury models, Fiat's commitment to progress, rooted in its first car, propelled it to become a global automotive leader, impacting lives across continents. Today, the 1899 Fiat 3.5 CV stands as far more than just a relic of the past. It is a timeless masterpiece revered by automotive enthusiasts and historians alike. Its presence in prestigious museums and at exclusive classic car events worldwide underscores its enduring significance. When viewed today, it serves as a powerful reminder of how far automotive technology has come, yet also highlights the foundational ingenuity that defined the very first steps. It's a symbol of pioneering spirit, embodying the audacious dream of creating personal motorized transport at the turn of the 20th century. Preserving these rare examples ensures that future generations can appreciate the humble beginnings of a brand that has shaped mobility for over a century, offering a unique window into automotive heritage. In conclusion, the 1899 Fiat 3.5 CV is not merely an old car. It is a foundational pillar of modern automotive history and the very genesis of the Fiat brand. From its two-cylinder engine designed by Aristide Faccioli to its limited production of only 20 to 25 units, every detail speaks to a pivotal moment. It symbolizes the spirit of innovation, the courage to embark on an uncharted industrial path, and the relentless pursuit of progress that has characterized Fiat for over 120 years. This pioneering vehicle's legacy continues to inspire, reminding us that even the grandest journeys begin with a single, meticulously engineered step. The 3.5 CV truly set the standard for Italian automotive excellence and remains a proud testament to Fiat's remarkable and enduring impact on global mobility.